So you've just got hit with corruption. You don't know how to recover it yet. You're in this extreme risk category. How can we reduce that?
I mean, I think it's three words. It's practice, 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 and that's practice now when you're not corrupt. You don't have a system failure. Practice your restores, practice your VM restores, and even walk through scenarios. You don't even have to necessarily do the restore. You need to do the restore to know that your backups are good, but just walk through a scenario. Okay, it's 3 p.m. Corruption hit. What are we going to do?
And I like to think of this kind of like if you had to go to a heart surgeon or a brain surgeon. Would you want to go to a surgeon who came in and said, wow, this is the first time doing this procedure? I've never done this before, but let's give it a shot and see how it goes. Or would you rather go to a surgeon that's been practicing for 25 years and has done the procedure dozens or hundreds or thousands of times? I mean, I'd rather go to someone who's experienced. And really, the practice here makes it so that you'll be experienced, so that when you get into that situation, you'll know that you'll be able to get things back and how to do it.
Yeah, and a lot of the times, sometimes you can use that. One of the things I do once a month is I take my live system and I restore it to the test system, and I manually do that. And we have scripts that help out with it. But by running through that every month, I know if I have to go to a restore in the middle of the night, one, I know I have everything I need. So if the internet's down, that's okay.
Yep.
I don't need to look anything up. And two, I can do it almost without thinking.
Yep. And then the database corruption challenge, that's a great way to practice. Go download some corrupt databases and try it out.